Hey, this is Maggie, and she owns a pizza store. Maggie is now receiving few orders for her special pizza, but she is now facing some issue on those orders. The orders she receives from customers does not have enough details such as extra add-ons and toppings for pizzas. Now let's help Maggie to add custom options on pizza such as toppings and extra dips and sauces. First, click on Add New Form button to build new form. Enter the label to the form. Now drag and drop the radio field to select the pizza type. Enter the label to the field and add the two types of option for the customer to select the type. Select the field alignment as inline to display the field options horizontally. Now, drag and drop the checkbox group field and enter the label as Veg Toppings option. Enter the multiple veg toppings options on the checkbox option. And next, let's drag and drop another checkbox group field for non-veggie toppings. And then add the non-veggie toppings option to the field options. And then drag and drop a content field and enter the label as selected toppings price. Now, enable the price option and select the custom formula as the pricing condition. Now, enter the custom formula to the field, such as the price is calculated to both the toppings only if the selected option is greater than 2. And then drag and drop another checkbox group field to the form as extra add-on for the pizza. And then enter the add-on options to the field, such as cheese, dips, garlic sauce, etc. And then add the conditional options to the veg pizza toppings field as they only appear when veg pizza is chosen. Add the same conditional logic to the non-veggie toppings field as they only appear when non-veggie pizza is chosen. Add another conditional logic to the pricing field to appear only when any options from the toppings field is selected. Finally, save the form and assign the form to the product from the product settings of the form general settings. Now you can check the front-end product page to see if the form works as expected. Choose the pizza size and then choose the pizza type you need. Then you can see the toppings option appear based on the pizza type you choose. The price is only calculated if you choose more than 2 options. Now you can add the product to the cart and see the options you selected. Now you have solved the problem that Maggie was facing on her store. Now she receives more order from her store as she provides the customization on the pizza.